Breaking news, everybody. This is live channel 74, and we are reporting from the storm of 2024.
As you can see, not much to report.
As you can see in the background here, we are high in the sky, and we are reporting.
We are high in the sky. I mean, shh, don't tell anybody about that. No, not on the job. We're not, definitely not.
We are in our state-of-the-art drone? Helicopter. Yeah.
The storm that wasn't.
Yeah.
Wait, the control room telling me something. Oh, no, they're just saying this is it. This is the end of the storm. Sorry for all that angst if you went out and bought eggs and milk and things like that. You didn't really need to do that. It's hard to hear you over this helicopter noise.
It's very loud in here.
Yeah.
And we are reporting that the sun is starting to come out. The cats want to play. And
really, the streets are clear.
yep, it looks like everything's been plowed. Everything is melting. And we are back to normal.
What a disappointment.
As you, it's going to be black ice.